Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing to do. Links will be down below. You guys can check them out either on Amazon Prime or on their website. It will be listed down below. And this is coming from my good friends over at Mögi. Mögi, maybe. It is a silicone wedding ring for men. They do have for women also. So they come in, this one came in this pack. And then they got the 3-pack one I'll show you in a minute. So we'll take a look at this little guy. This is, I think, the size 10. So really cool. If you guys on a budget, this would be a good way to go for a temporary to stock up. And then check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. Here's the black one. That's what it looks on the guys. I don't have the women's, but just the guys one. So definitely, if you guys want to see the women's, links will be down below. Really cool though. Something different, something new. Here's the other one they have, 3-pack one. Silicone wedding rings. There they are on Instagram. Give them a follow. Now you got some fun. See, especially now with Christmas coming up, want to do a quick proposal for a temporary thing for your like Instagram videos, and then you get enough money to get the real one, and these will work good for temporary. So you go, bam. There's green. Uh-oh. There we go. Silver or gray. Really cool. So definitely buy a couple maybe for a gift for your friends. It's really cool. So there you have it, YouTubers. A short video today. I don't know if I'm getting any more in tomorrow for unboxings, but till then, you guys be safe. See you guys soon. Check them out. Mögi. There it is. Silicone wedding design. Black. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend. See ya.